welcome to my vlog. This is episode 1. My name is Jennifer Razon, and yeah, this is where I'll be sharing my adventures with you. I recently made a life change, and it's opened up quite a bit of time on my schedule, so I figured why not use that to go and explore and see some new things I haven't seen before. Yeah, I thought I'd take you guys along with me for the ride, and hopefully you enjoy it too. I'm off to get some coffee to get my day started, so let's go do that and head off to our first adventure. We're at the Descanso Gardens and taking a look at some nature. As you can see behind me, I'm in the forest, well, the back part of the, the gardens at the moment. And yeah, it's really beautiful out today. A bit overcast. It's not necessarily a normal thing here in California, well, at least Southern California. So I quite like it, actually. And yeah, let's go for a walk. I hope you enjoy it.
Give it on. Anywhere you said, anywhere you said, anywhere.
for our first adventure. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and come back next week as I'll have a new adventure to share with you all. I hope you're all having a good day, and I'll see you next time. Hello, Mr. B.